This is Phil Tocco, and you're watching the Agri-Food Safety Minute, the web series designed to get you one step closer to GAP certification every week. This week we'll be discussing the effects of water sources on potential microbial contamination of crops. Ensuring the quality of irrigation water safeguards your crop from foodborne illness contamination. The source of irrigation is a significant influence in this quality. In general, surface water is the most vulnerable to contamination. Though use of municipal water may be expensive, it's usually considered the safest option. Irrigation systems can also play a significant role in reducing microbial contamination of crops. In general, the less that irrigation water contacts the harvested portion of the crop, the less likely it is to cause a foodborne illness outbreak. From that reasoning, you would expect drip irrigation to be the safest form of irrigation with regards to food safety. Flood irrigation would be the next safest, followed by overhead irrigation with sprinklers. All GAP audits require that you in some way assess water quality. In general, what this means is regular testing of your well or your surface water for potential microbial contaminants. You'll want to test for generic E. coli. Don't bother testing for fecal coliform or coliform. Simply generic E. coli. Wells and municipal water sources should be tested once yearly. In general, you should test at the closest point of emission to the crop. This ensures that there are no E. coli in the irrigation system. Surface water should be tested 3 times every year. Once at planting, once at peak use, and once at harvest. In future webisodes, we'll cover how to take a water sample, how to set a water quality standard, and how to write a specific water quality SOP. You can find a guidance document in our show notes that covers the specifics of this webisode. Thanks for joining us this week, and we hope to see you again next week on the Agri-Food Safety Minute.